The APS-C mirrorless market is entering a new phase, and Canon appears determined to play a leading role in it. Over the past year, photographers have watched manufacturers push crop sensor cameras beyond their traditional limitations, adding features that were once reserved for flagship full-frame models. Now, all eyes are on the Canon EOS R9, a camera that has become one of the most talked about unreleased models in the industry. Although Canon has not officially announced the camera, an increasing number of leaks and insider reports suggest that the Canon EOS R9 could deliver one of the biggest performance upgrades the APS-C lineup has ever seen. Instead of acting as a modest replacement for the EOS R7, the Canon EOS R9 is rumored to introduce a completely different level of capability. Industry sources indicate that Canon is aiming to create a camera that satisfies photographers who need exceptional speed, advanced autofocus, professional video features, and rugged reliability, all without requiring the investment of a full-frame system. If these reports prove accurate, the R9 could become one of Canon's most important camera launches in recent years. The first thing many photographers notice about a camera is its physical design, and early rumors suggest Canon has paid considerable attention to refining the overall body. The Canon EOS R9 is expected to feature a premium construction that combines magnesium alloy with reinforced engineering plastics. This approach would create a body that feels solid and durable while remaining light enough for everyday use. For travel photographers, documentary shooters, and professionals who spend long hours carrying their equipment, reducing weight without sacrificing durability would be a significant advantage. Comfort appears to be another major focus. According to several reports, Canon may redesign the grip to provide a deeper and more secure hold than the EOS R7. While this sounds like a subtle improvement, experienced photographers understand how much ergonomics influence real-world shooting. A better grip improves stability when using heavy telephoto lenses and reduces fatigue during extended assignments. Whether photographing wildlife in remote locations or covering fast-paced sporting events, improved handling could make the camera far more comfortable to use throughout the day. Durability is expected to extend beyond the materials themselves. The Canon EOS R9 is widely rumored to feature advanced weather sealing, allowing photographers to continue working in rain, dust, snow, or humid environments with greater confidence. Outdoor professionals increasingly demand equipment that performs reliably regardless of weather conditions, and stronger environmental protection would make the R9 suitable for a much wider range of assignments. Canon is also expected to enhance the shooting experience through an upgraded display system. Current leaks suggest the camera will include a fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen, allowing creators to compose shots from virtually any angle. This design benefits photographers working close to the ground, videographers filming overhead shots, and vloggers recording themselves. Canon's touchscreen interface has long been praised for its responsiveness and intuitive controls, and the R9 is expected to continue that tradition while introducing smoother menu navigation and improved usability. The electronic viewfinder is another feature likely to receive meaningful upgrades. Rumors point towards a high-resolution EVF with more than 3.6 million dots, providing a brighter, sharper, and more natural viewing experience. A detailed viewfinder allows photographers to evaluate focus, color, and exposure more accurately before capturing an image. Combined with a fast refresh rate, the EVF could offer an almost seamless shooting experience, particularly during high-speed continuous photography. Workflow efficiency is becoming increasingly important for professionals, and Canon appears ready to address this with improved storage options. Reports indicate that the Canon EOS R9 could feature dual memory card slots, pairing a UHS-2 SD slot with a CF Express Type B slot. This combination would offer both flexibility and speed. Users could record backups automatically, separate photo and video files, or take advantage of the faster write speeds required for high-resolution video recording and extended burst photography. Wireless communication is also expected to improve significantly. The latest rumors mention Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 support, allowing faster image transfers and more reliable remote camera control. These upgrades would benefit photographers delivering files directly from location and creators who regularly connect the camera to mobile devices or cloud-based workflows. As content creation becomes increasingly mobile, stronger connectivity has become an essential feature rather than a luxury. Perhaps the most exciting rumor surrounding the Canon EOS R9 involves its imaging sensor. Multiple reports suggest Canon may introduce a completely new stacked APS-C CMOS sensor with a resolution ranging from approximately 32 to 40 megapixels. While the increase in resolution is certainly attractive, the stacked sensor design is what truly captures attention. Stacked sensor technology dramatically improves data processing speed by incorporating dedicated memory layers beneath the imaging surface. This faster architecture reduces rolling shutter distortion, increases burst shooting performance, and improves video quality during rapid camera movement. Previously, this technology was largely limited to flagship cameras, making its possible arrival in an APS-C body particularly significant. The benefits extend far beyond speed alone. Faster sensor readout means electronic shutter shooting becomes much more practical, reducing distortion when photographing moving subjects. Wildlife photographers could capture birds in flight with greater accuracy, sports photographers would experience cleaner action sequences, and videographers could enjoy smoother footage during handheld camera movement. Image quality is also expected to receive meaningful improvements. According to current leaks, the Canon EOS R9 may offer enhanced dynamic range, allowing photographers to recover greater detail from both shadows and highlights. Low light performance is also rumored to improve, producing cleaner images with less visible noise at higher ISO settings. Combined with Canon's latest digic image processor, these improvements could deliver richer colors, smoother tonal transitions, and more accurate overall image reproduction. If Canon succeeds in delivering even most of the features currently being discussed, the Canon EOS R9 could become one of the standout mirrorless cameras of its generation. Rather than simply offering an affordable alternative to full-frame models, it may establish itself as a professional-grade camera in its own right, proving that exceptional performance is no longer defined solely by sensor size.